Hello students, this is the 2023 chemistry paper discussion. This is the 30th January morning session. All these questions are collected on the memory of our Narayana students. Here I am going to explain question wise, and it is the memory based question collection. So taking the first question, which of the following is water soluble? Here this is the question based on the little bit concept and a little bit memory, and BeSO4, MgSO4 both are soluble. The reason is they have lower lattice energy and higher hydration energy. Hydration energy. Based on this concept, the right answer will be A and B. So answer for this question is 2. Go for the next question. During the qualitative analysis of SO3 minus 2 using dilute H2SO4, SO2 gas is evolved which turns K2Cr2O7 solution into K2Cr2O7 on treatment with SO3 minus 2 in acidic medium. The products are like this: Cr plus 3 and SO2, right? SO2 gas is evolved. Here it is green color in solution, green colored solution. SO2 gas is evolved which turns K2Cr2O7 solution. It is a green color. So Cr plus 3, answer will be the green color. The right option for this question is green color, option 1. Go for the next question. Match the following. It's an easy question, but the student needs the perfection. Atomic numbers are given and find out the what is called which block, the element belongs to which block. Here the point is student have to write the configuration. From the configuration you will find out the subshell where the differentiating electron will enter. Take the element A, its atomic number is 52. I am writing the configuration, krypton, and it will be 36. So after 36 we have how many electrons left? 16 electrons. So goes to 5s2 and 4d10 and 5p4. So based on the final electron here enters into the p sublevel. So element A belongs to p block. P block means A is answered with Q, right? And take the second element B, its atomic number is 37. You will take the krypton 36. After 36 the electron goes to 5s1. So here it belongs to S block. S block, that means the element B related to P is the right answer. And go for the element 65. Here you use simple logic. Lanthanides are 58 to 71 are called lanthanoids. So all lanthanoids are belongs to F block. F block, right? So C element 65 atomic number belongs to F block. C matches with the S. And last element D, that is 78. Write its configuration. xenon 54, 6s2, 4f14, 5d, 54 plus 14, 68, 2, 68 plus 2, 70. So you want to write 5d8, but in practice it has abnormal configuration, either abnormal or normal configuration. It belongs to D block. So D block, A, B, C, D. So D element belongs to R. So right answer is QPSR. QPSR. So the right answer for this question is second option. Answer for this question is second option. Right? Now we are moved to the next question, students. If volume of ideal gas is increased isothermally, then its internal energy. Here students be careful about the lines. Isothermally. Isothermally means temperature is constant. If in isothermal conditions, isothermal temperature is constant. If temperature is constant, delta U, that is change in internal energy, is equal to 0. Change in zero. So the right answer is remains constant. Very simple question, be careful. Volume of ideal gas is increased isothermally. Under isothermal conditions, temperature is constant. When temperature is constant, internal energy remains constant. Change in internal energy is equal to 0. Go for the next question. Which of the following compounds acts as an inhibitor for cancer growth? It is a direct question from the NCERT textbook. The right answer is cisplatin. It is an informative question. Here students try to learn the cisplatin now. Cisplatin, it is a complex of platinum, Pt, NH3 taken twice, Cl2. Here this is the central atom, platinum, has +2 charge and it is a square planar complex. Here is NH3, here is NH3, here is Cl minus, it is a square planar complex. And here angle between the same groups is 90 degrees, so it is a cis isomer. So this is called cisplatin. It is an informative. Cisplatin is used as an inhibitor for cancer growth. Informator. The right answer is cisplatin. Answer will be 1 option. Among the given, here the right option is 1. Go for the next question. Order of strength of ligands S-2, CO, En, C2O4-2 and ammonia. Students, this is also direct question on the basis of the spectrochemical series. Based on spectrochemical series, direct question from our NCERT textbooks, spectrochemical series. On the basis of this spectrochemical series, CO is the strong ligand. CO is the strong ligand. Among all the given options, only one option you have the strong ligand. Undoubtedly, answer will be this one. CO is the strong ligand and S minus 2 is the weak ligand. S minus 2 is the weak ligand and oxalate is weaker ligand than ammonia. So the right option is first option. Answer is 1 based on spectrochemical series. Direct question from NCERT textbook. NCERT. It is the question from NCERT. Go for next question, students. Here, number of lone pairs in central atom of following species. Here it is also easy question, but here the NTA testing the student perfection. Go for the IF7. IF7. How many surrounding atoms? 3. How many bonding electrons for the iodine? 7. Minus how many bonded electrons? 7 by 2. This data is equal to bond pairs. This data is equal to lone pairs. This is the bond pairs. This is the lone pairs. In our question they are concentrating on lone pairs. So in case of IF7 number of lone pairs are 0. So for IF7 number of lone pairs are 0, right? And go for the ICl4 minus. In ICl4 minus the central atom is iodine. Around the iodine there are 4 chlorine atoms and iodine valency electrons are 7, but it has a negative charge. So number of valency electrons are 8 minus and number of bonds are 4 by 2, that is equal to 4 plus 2, that is equal to total will be 6, but number of lone pairs in case of ICl4 minus is equal to 2, right? And then check the other example, XeF2. In XeF2 the central atom is xenon. Xenons are bonded with how many atoms? 2 atoms. And in case of xenon, how many valency electrons are there? 8 valency electrons. How many bonds are there? 2 bonds are there. By 2 on simple calculation it will be 2 plus 3. So XeF2 has how many lone pairs? 2 lone pairs, 3 lone pairs, sorry. And go for XeO3. Here the central atom is xenon, surrounded atoms are 3 plus, xenon has valency electrons of 8 and oxygen made a double bond. There are 3 oxygens, 3 2s are 6 by 2. So on simplification 3 plus 1. So based on this explanation XeO3 has 1 lone pair. So 0, 2, 3, 1. What is the right answer? For this question, answer will be 4. Here the NTA testing the student perfection by with this question. And go for the next one. Which of the following reaction can be used to prepare LiAlH4? It is also direct question from NCERT. It is a direct question from NCERT. LiH plus AlCl3, it's a direct question, and 4 moles of LiAlH required and leads to the formation of LiAlH4 plus and 3 LiCl. So it's a direct question from the chapter P block elements of the first plus 1. This is the right answer. So answer for this question is 3. Go for the next question. Permanganate reacts in acidic medium to produce Mn plus 2. Calculate number of electrons used. It is also direct question from the NCERT and it is a little bit concept and memory based. In acidic medium, MnO4 minus, in acidic medium, MnO4 minus changes to Mn plus 2. Mn plus 2, right? Here oxidation number for the manganese is plus 7. Here oxidation number is plus 2. The difference here is 5, right? So In this question, calculate the number of electrons used is 5. Answer is 5. N factor for this question is 5. It's a direct question. Here also students who have a good perfection in the solving the question, they will score more marks. And go for the next. Speed of electron in the 7th orbit is 3.6 into 10 power 6 meter per second. Then find speed in 3rd orbit. It is the question from the atomic structure. It is a calculation part. Here velocity directly proportional to Z atomic number and inversely proportional to orbit number. But here they given same atom, so the atomic number will be same. So you will evaluate, you will make a relation V proportional to 1 by N, V1 by V2, velocity of the electron V1 by V2 is equal N1 by N2 by N1, right? So we want to find the V2 value in the 3rd orbit. V2 is equal to V1 into N1 by N2. So what is the V1? 3.6 into 10 power 6. 3.6 into 10 power 6 students, and N1 value they given as 7th orbit, and you want to find its value in the 3rd orbit. So 3 ones, 3 twos. So 1.2 into 10 power 6 into 7. So 7 twos are 14, 7 ones are 8.4 into 10 power 6 meter per second. This is the answer for this question. 8.4 into 10 power 6 meter per second means this is the right answer. So answer for this question is second option among the given options. Go for the next question, students. If rate constant is 2.011 minute inverse for a radioactive decay reaction, calculate time period for changing mass of radioactive element from 7 gram to 2 gram. Here radioactive decay means it is a first order reaction, right? For the first order reaction, what is the expression to calculate the rate constant? K is equal to 2.303 by T into log of A by A minus X. A by A minus X. Rate constant they given as 2.011 is equal to 2.303, and time you want to calculate, and log A value they given as log 7 by log 2, right? So you want to calculate T. T is equal 2.303 by 2.011 into log 7 minus log 2. This is the way of approach. So 2.303 by 2.011, log 7 value they given as 0.84 minus 0.3. On simplification, 2.303 by 2.011 into 0.54, right? On rough calculation, 2.303 on rough calculation it is 0.27 minutes. This is the answer for this question, right? 2.303 into 0.20 minutes. Next, go for the next question. Molarity of CO2 in soft drink is 0.2 m. The volume of soft drink is 300 ml. Volume of SO2 at STP present in soft drink is. Students, first you want to calculate the number of moles of CO2. Number of moles of CO2 is equal to molarity into volume. Molarity into volume. Molarity they given as 0.2 and volume is given as 300 ml. I want to take it as a 0.3 liter. On calculation it will be 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 liters moles. But in this question they are asking what is the volume of CO2 under STP conditions. So you use the formula PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. You know the number of moles. You want to calculate the volume. Volume is equal to nRT by P. Number of moles is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 and R value they are not given. Here I am taking under STP conditions for calculating 0.082 is taken and temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is taken as 1 atmosphere. On simplification 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 0.082 into 273, it is equal to 22.4 approximately. So 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14, 6 2s are 12 again and it will be 13. So 134.4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. From the given data, this is the answer. 134.4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 liters, students. It is a question based on solutions and the ideal gas, states of matter. Then go for the next question. Find mole of a non-volatile solute dissolved in 30 gram of water. The solution have boiling point 373.52 Kelvin and Kb value is given. This is the question taken from the liquid solutions of the second year physical chemistry. So how can you calculate? Delta Tb is equal to I into Kb into number of moles of solute into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. Weight of solvent in grams, right? Delta Tb is the difference of, it is the difference of boiling point of solvent solution minus boiling point of the solvent. Boiling point of solution is 373.52, boiling point of solvent is 373, this difference is equal to 0.52 only. So delta Tb is taken as 0.52 and I, it is a non-volatile solute, so it will be 1 and Kb value they given as 0.52 and number of moles of solute want to be calculated into 1000 by and weight of water in this question given as 30 grams. So small n is equal to, on cancellation it will be 1, n is equal to 30 by 1000, that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. This is the answer for this numerical question. Then go for the next question. Observe the following reactions. Students, be careful in this organic chemistry question. Here this is A, propene, butene, isobutene. Isobutene is treated with water in the presence of acid. So it is a simple question and alcohol is formed. So this is the compound A, this is the compound A, right? A and B are respectively. A and B are respectively. Undoubtedly option 1 and option 3 are ruled out, option 2 or 4 may be correct. And then it is treated with only concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 means we are providing only H2SO4. The possible product is there is no water, that's why SO3H. SO3H. This is the answer. This is the B. So for this question the right answer will be this one. Why it is ruled out? Because here there is no water. So for this question right option is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Right. Go for the next question, students. Which of the following acts as an antacid? It is a direct question from chemistry in everyday life. It is a direct question. No need of any more explanation. It is a completely data-based chemistry in everyday life. A direct and easy question. So what is the answer? Ranitidine. Ranitidine is the antacid. Ranitidine is the antacid among all the given options. Right? Then go for the next question. Caprolactam when heated at a high temperature gives. Caprolactam. Caprolactam is a cyclic amide. Caprolactam is a cyclic amide. Cyclic amide. C double bond O, CH2, 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 NH, CH2, CH2, this is caprolactam. This on strong heating, it form a polymer of C double bond O, CH2, 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 5 times, NH and N times. This is called caprolactam. This is also called Perlon L. Perlon L. This is also called as nylon 6. Nylon 6. So right answer for this question is 2. All these questions are memory based. So among the memory based data we are explaining the questions. Go for next question. And it is also data based question. Schwarz reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Fittig reaction, Sandmeyer reaction. Schwarz reaction is meant for fluorides. It is meant for fluorides. And it is for iodides, alkyl iodides, iodides. Fittig reaction is for diphenyls, diphenyls. And Sandmeyer reaction, aryl halides, aryl halides. It's a data based. So in the first question, in the first option we are getting iodides, so P related to 2. And in the second question diphenyls are formed, diphenyls, that means Q related to 3. And third one is alkyl fluorides. Alkyl fluorides are formed in the Schwarz reaction. It is also related to or related to 1. And the last one is a Sandmeyer reaction. It is for aryl chlorides, that is the fourth one. So right option here is 2314. 2314 is the second option is correct. Second option. So right option for this question is 2. It is a data based question, informative, and it is the question from halogen compounds of the organic chemistry. This is the next question, students. Which of the following is correct acidic strength order of the marked hydrogen in the given compound? You will check it. Among all the compounds, carboxylic acids are undoubtedly stronger acids. Carboxylic acids are stronger acids. So COOH is the strong acid. After that, phenols are stronger acids. OH. After that, it is a triple bonded carbon. It is a single bonded carbon. Triple bonded carbons are more acidic. So C triple bond CH hydrogen is more acidic, and then CH2H hydrogen is more acidic, right? So this will be designated with the letter A, and it is designated with the letter D, and it is designated with the B, and it is designated with the C. A greater than, D greater than, B greater than C. A greater than, D greater than, B greater than C. So right answer for this question is 1. It is a question based on acidic strength of the compounds. Go for the next question. Consider the following reaction. It is a direct question from the environmental chemistry. NO2 in the presence of UV radiation. In the presence of UV radiation, it forms NO and nascent oxygen, right? A plus O2. So here A means nascent oxygen. It reacts with the O2. Whenever nascent oxygen reacts with the O2, ozone will form, O3. So this can be considered as a, and this can be considered as C, and this can be considered as B, right? So based on this one, B plus C, B is NO and C means O3, and it reproduces the NO2 plus O2, right? NO is the B and it is the C. Based on that one, what is the A? A is equal to nascent oxygen, B is equal to NO, C is equal to O3. So O comma NO comma O3, O comma NO comma O3, O comma NO comma O3. Find A, B and C. A is no appropriate answer. Yes, here this is the answer, right? So answer for this question is 2. Go for the next question. Which of the following compound gives positive test with a failing solution and a blood red color when fused with sodium metal followed by neutral ferric chloride solution? It is a question based on the qualitative part of the first year organic chemistry. So here test with failing solution. Positive test with failing solution means compound should contain aldehyde. Positive test with failing solution. So all the given options have aldehyde group. Then check the blood red color. Blood red color in the Lassine test given by blood red color in Lassine test. Blood red color in Lassine test given by compound when having sulfur plus nitrogen are present together, are present. So you will now check the compound which contain aldehyde, sulfur and nitrogen. In the first compound, nitrogen is there, sulfur is there and aldehyde group is there. In the remaining compounds, no such a combination. So answer will be for this question is 1. And go for the next question. Which of the following reaction will yield benzyl isocyanide? Benzyl isocyanide. It is a question for benzyl isocyanide. First you will write the all possible major products. KCN. KCN is an ionic compound, right? So it readily releases Cn minus. So we are getting C triple bond N, benzyl cyanide. AgCN is a covalent compound. KCN is ionic, and in this case isocyanide is the major product. Isocyanide is the major product because AgCN is covalent. AgCN is covalent, right? And it is a Hoffman bromamide reaction. We are getting the product is NH2, and the last one is benzylamine, LiAlH4 will reduce CO group, into CH2 NH2. So benzyl isocyanide. So option 2 is the right answer. Answer for this question is 2. And go for the next question. Mark a correct answer on the basis of the following two statements. This is the question related to the biomolecules and it is also data based. Ketosis gives Selvinov's test faster than aldose. Yes, both will give the test, but ketosis will give very quickly. So the statement 1 is correct. And when heated, fructose is more rapidly dehydrated than glucose. That is also correct. So both the statements are true. So for this question, answer will be 1. It is informative, right? And go for the next question. Compound A C10H12O2 on treatment with ferric chloride, it gives positive test. With NaOI also gives positive test. Neutral ferric chloride, it may give positive test with the phenols. It gives a positive test with the compounds having C double bond O CH3 group, or it may contains the compounds having CH3 OH group, right? This is the possibilities. Molecular formula, they given C10H12O2. So for that we will write one structure with this combination of atoms. Here it is OH, phenol is there, and double bond and double bond and double bond. You will write anywhere CH2, C double bond O, CH3. This formula will satisfy both the conditions, and you will cross check whether the formula is matching or not. Total carbons are 10 carbons here, and hydrogens are 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 4, 3 plus 4 plus 8, wait a second, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 hydrogens, and oxygens are 2. So this is satisfied. Or another possibility is OH, CH, double bond CH, C double bond O, CH3, CHOH. This is another possibility. So it also matches with the formula C10H12O2, right? Here find the number of pi bonds present in the compound A. Here how many pi bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 3 and here is 1. So answer for this question is 4. Right, for this question total number of pi bonds are 4. This is the data available for our from our students. Thank you students for watching this Narayana group videos. This is the end.